everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a video for you. I'm finally doing an advertised deals video. It has been a long time since I've had enough time to get an advertised deals video done for you guys. But basically, what this is I put this out on Tuesday, the day before the sale actually starts on Wednesday. And I give you an update on deals that are happening so that you are ready to go as soon as the store opens in the morning. So we have a brand new digital coupon sale, so 5-time digital coupon sale that is happening starting on Wednesday, June 1st. We'll go through the 7th, and of course we'll have week 2 starting on the 8th. So a lot of these deals will be good for 2 weeks. But you will now know what to expect for some of these deals, and of course, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that way you can check out my must-do deals video tomorrow when I find out what all of the items that are participating and all of the deals we can put together, that type of thing. So, guys, let's check out what is going on at Kroger starting on the 1st. Alright, so I'm going to start right out with the digital coupon deals. These are 5-time. Once you load the digital coupon to your account, so you'll want to go onto your app or go online, log into your account, and load these digital coupons. You can grab up to 5 of these items within the same transaction. Now, the cool thing about these digital coupons is they do not leave your card for the full 2 weeks. So once it's loaded on there, you can do multiple transactions. So let's say you want, 7 of the toilet papers there. You grab 5 in one transaction, and the next transaction grab 2. You will still get that digital coupon on each item. So it's really, really cool that you can, if there's something you really want, you can stock up on that particular item. And you can do that for the full 2 weeks. All right, so let's see what the matchups are. Let's start out and look at Tide. So first we have Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent 115 ounce or the Gain Liquid 154 ounce or the Fireworks the 26.5 ounce. So the prices vary anywhere from regularly priced $15.99 to $17.99, but all are either regular price or on sale for $15.99. We have a 3-off-1 5-time digital coupon. Now let me caution you here, the 5-time digital coupons are store coupons, so you can stack them with a manufacturer coupon. Well, we have 3-off-1 for the Tide in the P&G 529. We also have a 3-off-1 for the Gain in Save 515. So your final cost is going to be $9.99 each. You're saving, on top of the already sale price, you're saving an extra $6 here, which is a really great deal. Next, we have the Oscar Mayer Bologna. It's regularly priced $2.99, on sale for $2.79. There is 50-cent off one 5-time digital coupon. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $2.29 each, but no worries. Ibotta has a rebate for 50 cents back on one, limit of 5 times. So you can grab up to 5 of these for $1.79 each. And just like any kind of thing, if you have a good deal like this, especially with meats, because we're going to see prices continue to go up all summer. So if this is something that you eat regularly, grab these and throw some in your freezer and then pull them out as needed since they're such a good price this week. Now, I don't know about you, but I have a large freezer in my basement, so I stock up on a lot of things. Now, if you have just a refrigerator freezer, that might be harder to do. Next deal we have is the Townhouse Cracker. So this deal is amazing. These are regularly priced $3.49. They're on sale for $2.99. We have a $1 off one 5-time digital coupon. Plus, you can stack it with the manufacturer $1 off 2 printable coupon. Now, the printable is actually from the Kellogg's website. You do have to have a login and all that stuff, but it's pretty easy to use. I'll link it in the description box below for you to access the Kellogg's website, but $1 off 2 for there. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $1.49 each. Then you can submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 2. Final cost 49 cents each. This is a really, really awesome deal. All right, next deal we have here is specifically the Ritz Toasted Chips or Cheese Crispers. Now you'll notice in the ad it does say Nabisco Ritz Crackers or Cheese Crispers. So we do have the Cheese Crispers there. It does not specifically say Ritz Toasted Chips, but they're probably included. They're usually included if the Cheese Crispers are. So anyway, these both of these are regularly priced $4.29. They're going to be on sale for $3.29, 50 cents off one 5-time digital coupon, so out of pocket pay $2.79, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on 2. So once you grab 2 of these, you're basically going to get them for $2.42 each. Next, we have the Ben & Jerry's Ice Cream Pints. Grab 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $5.49. They're on sale for $4 each. There's also a 2 off 2 5-time digital coupon, and you can pair that with the $1 off 2 Save $5.22 manufacturer coupon. So your final cost is $5 total, or $2.50 each. Alright, so the next deal we have is a pretty decent deal on Kellogg's cereals, the large size boxes that are regularly priced $4.49. Now they happen to be on sale this week for $3.49, plus you can use the $1 off 1 5-time store digital coupon, plus you can pair it with the manufacturer, the $1 off 2 printable coupon from the Kellogg's website. In fact, there's going to be quite a few coupons from the Kellogg's website today. Out of pocket, you'll pay $1.99 each. Then you could submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times, plus it depends on the cereal. So as you can see, I pictured the Frosted Flakes and the Fruit Loops. There's also Apple Jacks included too. But the final cost would be $1.49 each, which is a pretty decent deal for some cereal. Next, we have the Pringles. So these are regularly priced $1.89. They're on sale for $1.79 this week, and we have that 50 cent off 1 5-time digital coupon that's a store coupon, and you can pair it with a 40 cent off 2 printable coupon, again from the Kellogg's website. Final cost is going to be just $1.09 each. Next, we have the Kellogg's Eggo Waffles 10-count, regularly priced $2.89, on sale for $2.79 this week, and we have that 50 cent off 1 5-time digital coupon, plus you can pair that with a $1 off 2 printable coupon, again from the Kellogg's website, so your final cost is $1.79 each. Next, we have the Skintimate Shave Gel 7 ounce. It's regularly priced $3.29. It's on sale for $2.99. We have that $1 off 1 5-time digital coupon that you can pair with the $1 off 1 from the Smart Source 515. It does expire on the 4th, so you're only going to have a few days to grab this particular deal. Out of pocket, pay 99 cents. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 1. It's limited to 3 times. Final cost is going to be completely free. Now that's specifically for the Skintimate. Now there is not an Ibotta rebate for the Edge Shave Gel, but that coupon from Smart Source 515 is also for Edge. So if you are wanting the Edge over the Skintimate, you can still grab that. It's just going to be 99 cents. You're not going to have that Ibotta rebate to pair with it. Next deal is the Eglin's Best 18-count eggs. These are regularly priced $4.49. We have a $1 off 1 5-time digital coupon. Pair that with the 50 cent off 1 from Save 51. Your final cost is going to be just $2.99 each. Now, Skippy peanut butter is my favorite brand of peanut butter, but these are regularly priced $3.19. They're going to be on sale for $2.99. Pair it with the 50 cent off 1 5-time digital coupon. Pay $2.49 out of pocket, but then Ibotta has a small rebate, 25 cents back on 1, limit of 5 times, so you can grab these for just $2.24 each. We also have an okay deal. Crest Toothpaste is regularly priced $4.29, on sale for $3.99, and we have a $1 off 1 5-time digital coupon, plus you can pair that with a $1 off 1 from the P&G 530. Final cost $1.99 each. This is way too expensive for me. I like to get my toothpaste for free or moneymaker, and we can still do that. Walgreens, I know specifically, you get free toothpaste almost every single week. So I would highly, recommend not doing this deal and just coupon at Walgreens for that particular toothpaste if you need it. But if you are not going to do that, then I guess this is a savings. I'll give you that. Next, we have the Swiffer Refills. Now, the prices do vary depending on which product you're going to get, but they are on sale for $8.99 this week. You can use the $1 off 1 5-time digital coupon and pair that with the $1 off 1 from the P&G 530. Final cost $6.99 for these refills. Okay guys, so that kind of finishes up what at least is advertised for the digital 5-time digital deals. Now there'll be more deals, obviously. We'll get even more items that are a part of that sale. So what I want to do now is show you just Kroger matchups for the rest of the ad that are not part of the 5-time digital sale. So let's check these out. First, this deal is pretty hot. The Coke, Pepsi, or Canada Dry 6-packs that are regularly priced $5.49. You grab 4 of them this week. Normally, if you grabbed 4 of them, you're looking at like $22, but instead they're on sale for $12. So your final cost is basically just $3 each, which is a great deal. The difference, Meijer right now, this current week has these part of their buy 5 sale, and they're $2.99 on that sale. So you're saving about a penny. So if you are, have a Meijer close, you might want to do that, or you may want to just, get them at Kroger because they're really 1 cent doesn't make that big of a difference. All right, so the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce and dipping sauces, this is going to be a better deal in the current mega sale that we have for one more day before this goes live on the 1st. So go stock up on those sauces and not even mess with it. But if you missed that deal, we still have a deal here. So the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, 18 ounces, regularly priced $2.19, on sale for $1.50, and we have $1 off 4 in Smart Source 522, making them $1.25 each. And the Sweet Baby Ray's dipping sauces, the 14 ounce, are regularly priced $2.99, on sale for $1.50, and you can use the $1 off 2 in Smart Source 522, making them $1 each. And like I said, much, much, much better deal for the mega sale. So hopefully you're fully stocked and not needing to purchase these during this sale. All right, next we have is the Halo Top Ice Cream 16 ounce, regularly priced $5.49, on sale this week for $3.99. Pay that out of pocket, then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 1. It is a limit of 1 time, but it may reload over the week. So final cost would be $2.99. Next, we have the Chobani Oat Milk, the huge 96-ounce bottle that's regularly priced $6.99. It is on sale this week for $5.99. Pay that out of pocket, but Ibotta has a huge rebate for 3 back on 1. It's a limit of 1 time, so you can grab one of these for just $2.99. I think that's a great savings. If you want a little bit smaller of one, you can grab the Chobani Oat Milk 32 ounce that's regularly priced $3.99. We have a small savings of $3.50 each. Pay that out of pocket, then submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. It's a limit of 1 time. Your final cost is $1.50. Next, I just thought this was a really great deal. No coupons needed. Stacy's Pita Chips. Grab 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $4.49. They're buy one, get one, and they're actually currently buy one, get one. So if you wanted to grab them on Tuesday, the day I'm putting this video out, you could, or you could wait till Wednesday because the sale's not going away. But your final cost is $4.49 total, or basically just $2.25 each. We also have a deal on the Stonefire Nan's Crisp. These are regularly priced $3.99, on sale for $1.99, and there is a $1 off 1 printable coupon from their website, but your final cost would be $1.99. All right, let's talk about some 5-time weekly digital deals. We are really getting a ton of deals lately, just a ton, which makes me happy. I do have a couple of matchups for you, but here are some that I don't have matchups for you in case you are interested in them. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that sticks out to you, like the Ziploc bags or maybe the Vaseline lotion. I'm shocked that we don't have any matchups for Dove, so hopefully we do see some sort of matchups either Wednesday. Maybe we'll have some extra digitals to go with it, or coupons.com will come out with something, or possibly we'll get an insert on the Sunday following to match up with those. Otherwise, that kind of stinks. We also have all of these deals that don't have matchups with them. The one that stands out the most and the most excited that I am is the Kroger milk for $1.27 each. Now, the particular ad that I'm pulling these pictures from has the strawberries. So my region already had the strawberries this current week. So I am already planning on seeing a different fruit pop up for this particular weekly digital. But yeah, I don't know what we're going to see just yet, so I'll find out on Wednesday. And then the Deli Fresh Oscar Mayer lunch meat for $2.97 each. I'm going to stock up, grab all 5 of those, getting ready to go on vacation, and we'll take those and make sandwiches. I like to just make a whole bunch of sandwiches and take them with us, and so because I always get, I'm hungry, and if I have to buy something every time my kids are hungry, I'm in trouble. Also, Kraft Singles for $2.77. Not my favorite deal. It's a little bit higher than we'd seen in the past, but with prices going up, the cheese prices have really been going up. So anyway, that's another one you may want to stock up on. And let me know if any of these float your boat. Let's look at my matchups now. First, we have the Quaker Life or Captain Crunch cereals. These are regularly priced $3.49. They're on sale for $2.67 each, and we have $1.27 each 5-time weekly digital coupon. That is a store coupon, and you can pair it with a $1 off 2 from Smart Source 5/8, making the final cost 77 cents each. Now, real quick, in case you aren't aware of this, so the 5-time digital coupon sale that we talked about at the beginning of this video, those coupons stay on your account for 2 straight weeks, and you can use them multiple times. This 5-time weekly digitals, you can use 5 times within the same transaction, but once you use it, it is gone and you cannot use it again. So if you are wanting, if you have 2 of those Smart Source coupons, 5/8, and you want to get 4 cereals, get them all in the same transaction. Next, we have the Kraft Shredded Cheese, the 7 to 8 ounce. It's regularly priced $3.49, on sale for $2.97 each, but it's going to be just $1.97 each with a 5-time weekly digital coupon. You're going to pay that out of pocket. However, Ibotta has a rebate for 75 cents back on one, limit of 5 times, grabbing these for $1.22 each. This is a hot deal. I am definitely grabbing all 5 of them. I can throw some of them in the freezer and pull them out as I need them, but this is a really good deal, and I highly recommend grabbing these. Okay guys, that's all I have for you for this advertised deals video, but no worries, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I will be back on Wednesday with your must-do deals video with all of the items that are participating. So please make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you later. Bye guys.